Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will create a Android rotation animation app, and for animation, we will be using Android XML animation file. In Android Studio, first we will create a new project. We will select empty activity. We'll give a name to the project and language kotlin. For rotation animation, we will be required a wheel image. I have a wheel image in my desktop. I will place the image in Android Studio drawable folder. While placing the image in the drawable folder, we should select only drawable folder and not some other version of drawable folder like V24, etc. For rotation animation, we will be required an XML animation file. We will right click in the resource directory, then new Android resource file. File name infinite anim, resource type animation, root element rotate, directory name anim. In the infinite anim XML file, pivot x 50%, pivot y 50%, from degree 0 to degree 360, duration 400, repeat count infinite, interpolator at the rate of android:anim/linear interpolator, start offset 0. We will go to the main activity layout file, and there we are creating a image view and a button. In the image view SRC, we are using the wheel image, and on clicking the button, we will start the rotate animation. In the main activity onCreate method, we are getting the reference of the image view and the button, and we are setting onClick listener on the button. Inside button onClick listener, we are first getting animation using animationutils.loadAnimation. First parameter is context this. Second parameter is the animation file infinite anim. Then animation.fillAfter true. Then we are starting the animation wheel.startAnimation, and in the parameter passing the animation. Our code is ready now. We could run the app. On clicking the button rotate animation will start. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.